Solving one past board exam problem per day until the civil engineering board exam. Ngayon naman, meron tayong geohydro problem kung saan the velocity head of the flow at one section of a pipeline is 5 meters. Evaluate the velocity head in meters at the next section if the velocity of flow increases by 1/2 that of the previous section. So, tulad ng sinabi ko last time, questions sa geohydro just involve you memorizing a formula and plugging in the given to get the answer. At karamihan sa questions sa geohydro ay maiikli lang talaga, at most 2 steps lang yung problem, makukuha nyo na yung sagot. At ganun din yung problem na ito kasi yung formula na kailangan yung alamin ay velocity head is equal to v squared over 2g. Now, yung velocity head daw ng unang section ay equal sa 5 meters. Try nating isolve yung initial velocity ng flow. Meron tayong v squared is equal to 2g times 5. So, v is equal to square root ng 2g. So, square root ng 2 times 9.81 times 5. This is 9.9. Sinabi sa problem na sa next section daw, yung velocity increases by 1/2 that of the previous section. So, kailangan natin itong i-increase ng 1/2. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Increase natin ng 50% or i-multiply natin ng 1.5. This is 14.856, tapos diretsuhin na rin natin. I-compute natin yung bagong velocity head using this formula, v squared over 2g. So, answer squared over 2 times 9.81. We have 11.25 meters. So, ang sagot sa problem na ito ay 11.25. I think kaya nyo itong sagutan in less than 10 seconds kapag talagang alam nyo na yung concept ng velocity head.